Hi friends. Did we discuss Python, Matplotlib, right? It is a Python library. So now we will discuss Python line, Matplotlib line, right? So we will discuss Matplotlib line by right. So we will discuss basically line, this line. We will discuss only use a dotted line. We want to use in plotting dotted line. Import matplotlib library dot pyplot as plt as plt import numpy as alias np, right? Now we take y axis points. It will assumes axis point. It will assumes axis points. We will not provide the x axis points. It will take automatically. We will only provide the y axis point. np dot array, उसमें आप you can pass one dimensional array, 2 7 2 7 3 9. Suppose you pass this. Now plt dot plot, pass the y axis points, comma, we will learn dotted line here, right? If we simply if we run this only, suppose if we run this only plot, so if we run this only, what will be the result? First see the result. So you can see the result is this, in this way, right? So this is the plotting of the graph, right? if we want अगर हम चाहते हैं कि ये जो आपकी लाइन है ये डॉटेड लाइन होनी चाहिए आपकी, अभी ये डॉटेड नहीं है, ये लाइन आपकी डॉटेड अगर आपको करना है, ये लाइन आपको अगर डॉटेड करना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल डू वन थिंग हियर, line style line style line style or simply you say 1 minute, line style line style line style you will simply mention dotted, right? तो जो आपका ग्राफ था, ये जो आपका ग्राफ था, ये लाइन आपको डॉटेड करना है। अगर ये लाइन आपको ये सब डॉटेड डॉटेड, तो अगर ये लाइन अगर हम ऐड करेंगे तो आप देखोगे इसका रिजल्ट क्या रहता है। ठीक है, नाउ जस्ट रन दिस। नाउ यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट। तो देयर इज अ, ये डॉटेड लाइन हो गई। वी हैव लाइन स्टाइल डॉटेड, सो this way the graph will come dotted. This is dotted line. This way the graph will come, right? So this is the way to use the dotted line. One more style we have, suppose dashed. We use the dashed, right? So if we run this, we change the line style to dashed. Now we run this, what will be the result? Result is this. So suppose this is the result basically. So this is the dotted line. This last they see dotted. Now it is a dashed line. This is a dashed line graph. This graph is known as dashed line graph, right? लास्ट प्रीवियसली डॉटेड के लिए हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ से हमें डॉटेड लिखना है, देन इट विल कम द डॉटेड। नाउ दिस इज अ डॉटेड लाइन, so this is the dotted line, right? So we will see the dotted and dashed, right? We can also write L, if you we can line star, we can short form of line star ls. It will work. Let's see it will work or not. Yes, it is working, right? So if you write line style in short form ls, then there is no problem, right? It will work. So you can see this the dotted line graph, right? So in this way, if you write short form of line style ls, it will work out. Of dotted, you can, for the dotted you can also use colon, right? For short form of dotted, you can also write in place of dot is colon. If you run this, then you will see the right. So there is no issue. So if you write line star ls and the dot is a colon, then it is a dotted line graph. Simply you use the colon, so it is a dotted line graph. For dashed graph, you should use, I think it use, let us see, run this, what will happen. Yes, yeah. So for dashed line graph, you can use this, right? Double hyphen, you can use double hyphen for dashed line graph. For dotted, colon, dashed, double hyphen, line style short form ls. And we have seen dotted, dashed, right? If we take, suppose here like solid, what will happen? Solid, if you use the line style solid, so this is a simply a solid. By default it is a by default, actually solid line style is by default. Solid line style is by default, right? And if you use dash dot, if you use dash dot, what will happen? Yeah, so this is a dash or dot. Yeah, I think dash line and dotted line both are used. If you want to combine dotted dashed, then this is dash dot. So this is dashed and this is dot. This is dash dot. This dash dot. This is a dash dot line graph. So this is a dash dot line graph. If you use none, what will happen? None means nothing will come, right? So if you use line style none, then nothing will appear here, right? Okay. Okay, and now one more thing we want to see, लाइन कलर. ये अभी तक आपने देखा लाइन स्टाइल, हमने क्या देखा अभी तक? लाइन स्टाइल. ठीक है, अब देखेंगे कलर. कलर करना हो तो क्या करेंगे? कलर के लिए सिंपली COLR, रेड करना है तो R. Now run this. If you run this, now you can see. So this is a red line graph. This is red line graph. Red dot solid. Line style default is solid. So red solid line graph. This is red solid line graph this way, right? If you can use the hexadecimal value also if you want, like if you want to use hexadecimal color values, then also you can use hash 4CA F50. You can use the hexadecimal color value also if you want to use. You can see graph color of the graph is changed by using the hexadecimal value. तो hexadecimal value से भी आपका आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मली आर शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसकी आर, उससे भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर आप इस कलम इस एक नाम इस तरह से आप लिखते हैं हॉट पिंक, अगर आप ये लिखते हैं तो लेट अस सी द रिजल्ट. व्हाट विल हैपन if you write hot pink? What will happen? Hot pink is the pink color. This is the pink color, right? If we write suppose yellow, what will happen? Let us see. If we write yellow, what will happen? Let us see. Yes, so it's a yellow line. You can see the yellow line graph, right? And so in this way we can change the color of the graph. We have seen line style कैसे change कर सकते हैं, dotted, dash, dash dot और none. Now have seen the color कैसे change कर सकते हैं, line color कैसे change कर सकते हैं. We can change how we can change the line color. Now we will see line width को कैसे change कर सकते हैं, लाइन की width को कैसे change कर सकते हैं, right? So now we will see the how we can change the line width. line width, लाइन विड्थ को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. सपोज वी टेक 18. ठीक है, नाउ रन दिस. Now you can see we can change the line width of the graph. So this is the width, you can see this is the width, so this is 18, right? If you take it 25, what will happen? If you take it 25, what will happen? Yes, so this is a 25, right? If you take it suppose if we take it 0, what will happen? Let us see. If we take it 0, what will happen? We take it, yes, so it's not visible actually. Yeah, if we take suppose 1, what will happen? If we take 1, what will happen? Yes, so this in the 1 it is visible, right? So if we take suppose 50, what will happen? If we take 50, yes, this is 50, so this is a line width, so this is 50. And now we will see the multiple lines. You can plot multiple lines, right? You can plot multiple lines as well, right? So this is our, suppose this we take y1, right? We take is at y1. One more take y2 points, we take y2 also. np dot array and pass the 5, 1, 6, 10, right? Now we are learning multiple lines, how we can plot many lines, multiple lines, right? So plt dot plot, we pass here by 1, plt dot plot, we can pass y2, right? Now we will see what will happen. Yes, so you can plot multiple lines by using plt dot plot फंक्शन का यूज करके आप मल्टीपल्स लाइन प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, राइट? देखो आप बाय यूजिंग plt डॉट फंक्शन की द्वारा हम मल्टीपल लाइन को प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो this is our y1, blue line is our y1, and the next one is y2, right? So in this way we can plot many lines, multiple lines in this way, right? So in this way we can plot multiple lines, right? So we have learned change the line style of the graph, color of the graph, color line of the graph, and size, line width and multiple lines. So this is all about Matplotlib line in Python library. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.